Unraveling the meanings of make out, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning journey. Today, we have a very interesting phrase to discuss, make out. This phrase can be quite confusing because it has different meanings depending on the context. So, let's dive in and clarify how to use make out in various situations. One of the most common meanings of make out is to refer to a form of physical intimacy, usually involving kissing and possibly some other forms of close contact. It is a casual way to describe people engaging in a passionate moment. For example, they were making out in the back of the movie theater. It is worth noting that this usage is quite informal and might be inappropriate in formal settings. Make out can also mean to succeed or progress in a particular way. It reflects how a situation turns out for someone. For example, she made out really well in the business deal, earning a lot of money. How did you make out at your job interview? Another meaning of make out relates to the ability to see, hear, or understand something. It is often used when something is difficult to perceive. For example, I can't make out the words in this handwritten letter. They are too blurry. From this distance, I can't make out if that's Sarah or not. Make out can also be used when someone is pretending to be something they are not, or exaggerating their situation. For example, he's making out that the injury is worse than it really is. She made herself out to be an expert, but she didn't know what she was talking about. And that wraps up our exploration of make out. As we've seen, this phrase can take on various meanings depending on the context, making it a versatile part of the English language. Remember, understanding the context will help you determine which meaning is being used. I hope this video has helped clear up any confusion and added a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!